Imagine building a skyscraper without a blueprint, chaos, right? That's what software development would be without the SDLC. The Software Development Lifecycle, or SDLC, is the backbone of creating high-quality, cost-effective, and timely software. But what exactly is the SDLC, and why should you care? Stick around to find out how it can transform your digital product team. The SDLC is a structured process that breaks down software development into manageable stages, ensuring every detail is covered. From planning to maintenance, each phase has its own set of goals and deliverables, making the entire process transparent and efficient. Let's dive into the first stage, planning and analysis. This is where you gather business requirements and evaluate the feasibility of your project. In this phase, you decide what to make, what not to make, and what to prioritize, using frameworks that consider value, cost, and time. Once the project aligns with business goals and user needs, you move on to defining clear requirements for the development team. This is where documents like the Software Requirement Specification, SRS, and use case documents come into play. Next up is the design phase, where the vision is turned into a detailed software design document, SDD. This phase often includes creating a prototype, allowing the team to visualize the product and make changes before coding begins. With a solid design in place, the development phase kicks off. Here, the project is divided into modules, and the coding begins. Development can be time-consuming, requiring specialized tools and a set timeline to keep everything on track. Sometimes, development and testing overlap to catch critical bugs early on, ensuring a smoother process. Speaking of testing, the testing phase is crucial for validating that the software functions as intended and meets user expectations. Different types of testing, like performance, functional, and security testing, help identify and fix issues before deployment. Once testing is complete, it's time for deployment. This is when the final product is delivered to the user, often through automated processes. But the journey doesn't end there. The maintenance phase ensures that any bugs or issues found post-deployment are promptly addressed. In an agile environment, maintenance is continuous, allowing for ongoing improvements and updates. Security is a growing concern in software development, and integrating it into the SDLC is essential. DevSecOps incorporates security checks at every SDLC phase, from planning to maintenance, ensuring robust protection. Now, let's talk about different SDLC models. The Agile model is popular for its flexibility and rapid iteration. The Waterfall model, on the other hand, is more structured but less adaptable to changes once a phase is complete. The iterative model allows for repeated cycles of development, making it easier to manage risks but requiring more resources. The Spiral model combines iterative cycles with linear flow, prioritizing risk analysis but can be costly for smaller projects. The Big Bang model jumps straight into coding with minimal planning, suitable for small or academic projects. Choosing the right SDLC model depends on your project's unique needs and constraints. SDLC isn't the only lifecycle management process. Application Lifecycle Management, ALM, covers the entire lifecycle, from ideation to retirement. Systems Development Lifecycle includes hardware and software components, making it broader than SDLC. The Software Testing Lifecycle, STLC, focuses solely on ensuring software quality through rigorous testing phases. DevOps combines development and IT operations for faster, more frequent software delivery, emphasizing collaboration and automation. So, what's next for your software project? Choose the right SDLC model and integrate security to ensure success. Stay tuned for more insights.